Ka jingalang jong kekinhun menteri ha ka khatsan tarik kela lingkot arja arpusan kala shimrai ban minjur ru ya ka Meghalaya school service rules arja arpusan knang bakan Ailad ki Nonghikai ki bahikai ha ki lower primary school but ki assistant teachers bakin yo ban Kiew Kyrdan umenteri rangba ka jilla ukon rat sangma ula pentip baha ka service rules kabarim kaduna baha kala ki Nonghikai bakin Kiew Kyrdan bat ki sakut haju da ki babon snem bat hadien ke jinge pleu jingmut bat ki kinhon Nonghikai beper na kalyang katnat education minta kasngi kala Pyntreikam me ka Meghalaya school service rules arja apusan kaban Ailad iki Nonghikai bakin yoklad ban Kiew Kyrdan
Decision was for the approval of the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025. This basically has been done because in the past service rules there was very less scope for promotion when it came to the LP school teachers and assistant teachers, and they would be stuck in a certain position for many years, and there were limited scope for promotion, which also created a bit of conflict between different sections in the education department. And hence, after deep consultation with different associations, the education department has today amended the rules. As I said, this is the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025, and this is going to pave way for a better scope of promotion when it comes to government LP school teachers.